Chevy infotainment systems in 2020-2025 models like Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, and Equinox sometimes experience reboot loops, crashes, or failures after software updates. These issues often stem from software glitches like corrupted update files or memory overflows from running multiple apps. GM has addressed many of these problems with over-the-air updates, especially versions 1.5.2 and higher, that patch memory leaks and app compatibility issues with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These updates have an 85% success rate in resolving reboot loops without needing a dealership visit. If you're experiencing a reboot loop, first ensure your system is up to date via the vehicle's Wi-Fi or the My Chevrolet app. If updating doesn't work, try a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, clearing the cache in settings, or performing a factory reset. For persistent issues, especially in older models or areas with poor connectivity, you may need to visit a dealership for a software reflash. To prevent future infotainment issues, regularly update your system software, avoid multitasking on the infotainment screen while driving, and ensure your car battery is fully charged before initiating updates. Mechanics emphasize that software issues cause the majority of reboot loops, so DIY resets are worth trying before seeking professional help. Ignoring updates can increase the risk of problems. GM is shifting towards software-centric fixes, prioritizing OTA updates. Future trends include AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent crashes and improved cybersecurity to prevent hacking-induced reboots. GM also plans to integrate better with electric vehicles and partner with tech companies like Google for smoother ecosystems. Statistics from ENTSA show complaints about reboot loops are decreasing due to improved updates, and experts suggest that proactive updates can prevent most issues. Keep your system updated to avoid disruptions.